is just the sweetest little old folks home that I would love to volunteer at. And even better is this evergreen cottages, which have different nonprofits and or care-based businesses in these little cute little homes. Or home-like structures. Exactly what's in there. But I think one of them is called like the Magnolia Building, and they have these. The cutest thing about them are these little grassy areas in between them. They're all gated up and stuff. It looks like a real safe and secure and cute way to do long-term care situations with plenty of green space and stuff. Oh, they cut the grass there. That's wonderful. Yeah, I was trying to see this guy's sign the other day, and they cut it. Apparently they're selling this little patch of land right here, and I would love to put a garden there for sale by the broker. That's it. And it has like a different number. Hold on, let's get over there. Let's go look. So like I said, I want to put gardens. Well, I mean, it's not just for me. It's for like everybody in the world. This was an idea that I believe was sent from God, or blessed from God, as how to fix the world's problems. And basically said, well, plant and take care of plants, which involves water, of course, one of the utilities already. And I was thinking another place that a lot of another is the electric and gas lines. So, and this does appear to be a gas. Maybe this is an easement already. Dun, 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 dun. That'd be great. Absolutely great. To put it near a bunch of hospitals and stuff. Because I think, also think that gardening and caring for plants helps with mental health and with just helps. Plants, seeing your work, produce a healthy plant, and then, getting to eat it, that fruit of your labor, it's very rewarding. You can't not like it as far as a job goes. At least in my experience so far. All right, God bless. Signing off.